Guys, it's your boy Ogstv here. I'm back with another video. This time we're reacting to the ultimate tornado close up. Now, I don't know what you guys don't follow him, but I do. And he really shows the best tornadoes I ever seen. I hope y'all having a great day. Actually, a great week or a great year, 2018. It's time to make a comeback. I want to have some love and some support. You know, I want you to drop a like below. Without further ado, let's get into this video, shall we?
Once a year or so in the Great Plains, Mother Nature presents an unusual historic show, and unfortunately, it's usually the death toll that stars. This doesn't look good. This is heading into Dodge. On May 24th, 2016, she astonished hundreds of onlookers to a spectacle that stands tall above most others. Over a dozen extremely photogenic, sentient tornadoes of just about every shape and size you can imagine. That was 3 tornadoes on the ground. This is the first video of a 3-part series documenting this unprecedented, twisted family of tornadoes, starting with the first and most impressive of the day. Witness conception like never seen before. It's conception of the gods. Watch the birth, life, and death of this epic tornado family show. Front row.
A freeze pop out the freezer.
Straight up.
My bad, guys. I'm eating a freeze pop.
It's pretty extraordinary. Beautiful funnel cloud. There it is. Tornadoes on the ground. There's dust just starting to whirl up over here. That is cranking. Let's get out and get some photos of that. It's delicious. Amazing.
Oh snap!
All right,
Oh snap!
Showtime. Oh, getting as close as they can. It's about who can get the closest for them. For me, it's about that sweet wide shot. Oh, there it is. That's what we came to see. That's the shot right there.
That's huge. No homo.
Listen. That's really cool. Oh, God, you should see up this thing. Wow. That's
beautiful. I don't know how many guys go, but that baby is beautiful. Cool. Man, I'm hungry. I gotta go make me a sandwich.
It's conception of the gods.
I don't know if I got any snacks in the refrigerator. I just put those in the top fridge. The freeze pop, I mean.
See its spine. It's alive.
Hi, Mama.
I'm gonna get out, take some stills in this sucker. Susan, go get my pants.
Did you got something, Mom?
Let me in. Still rolling camera? Thank goodness. Wow. Let's go get it. This road doesn't turn into quicksand.
Okay, guys. I got me some chips now. Thanks for them. Thanks to the mom. Everybody spam up in the chat. Thanks to the mom. Put hashtag thanks mom.
It's about as epic as a tornado would get right there. Photo.
Let's get this video up there. This is my goal, to get this video up to at least 20 likes or more. Please, for the support.
Oh, getting pounded with the RFD. There's a storm coming. for me, dude. Twist of game. Try some shots here without the... Side, or it's gonna start hailing us.
I'll be right back. I gotta go throw something away.
Big as this hail. How big is this hail?
Okay, I'm back.
Pretty cloud. Probably a little too close. And this sucker. Right back up. Alright.
Oh, my phone will turn on.
Roads. Look at this slide. Is the rope out? Might as well pull off for this. Might as well pull over for that. And there you go. How was that for a show? Wow!
Alright guys, one more video won't hurt. Whoops.
slide. Is the rope out? Might as well pull off for this. Might as well pull over for that. And there go. How was that for a show? Wow.
Do you have a dog that is a heavy chewer? Whether your pup destroys their new toys or your new shoes, in just seconds, Bully Make has the perfect subscription box.
Craziness is going on here. This thing's heading right for Dodge City. I can't gauge how far the tornado is because I'm focusing on the road, but it might miss town to the west. I can't tell. There's suction vortices in it, all these satellites. Yeah, we're gonna call that one big tornado. We are heading into Dodge City. This thing's starting to do its big wedgie again. I have to switch cameras for a second. What would you do if a tornado was threatening your town right now? The average tornado victim doesn't follow radar apps and forecast tools all day. Rather, they are going about their daily business when tornado warnings are issued. Most people seek shelter, then information, but some take to the streets disoriented, desperate to check on loved ones and property. Others take to the streets to assist, spot, and report, while others try to catch their glimpse of the rare phenomenon occurring. Just west of Dodge City, power is being knocked out as tornadoes snap trees and power lines across the roads. A tractor trailer is being overturned, blocking another highway, while several homes are being destroyed. Drivers' eyes are frantically scanning the storm clouds above for danger, rather than focusing on the streets. I hope this puts in perspective how dangerous it is to chase a tornado through town. And Good Samaritans are extracting 2 victims from collapsed structures and racing their critical injuries to a hospital. And a local on a motorcycle races to see the tornado, oblivious of the large hail soon to fall. Oblivious to it all, we proceed with caution. Looks like it's Dodge City. I'm driving through the town, but I don't think it. Alright, we gotta pounce on the sucker. Let's go get it. I don't know how long this dirt road's gonna allow me to do this, but we're gonna find out. It's a pretty well-maintained gravel road at this point, and that can all end really fast. That looks terrible. Yeah. I'm gonna regret that. Let's just try a little further. Do-si-do. That's a shot. Again, we're going to pull over and stop for this stuff. Car will stop. It's 7:34. It is tornado hell in the world right now. I'm sandwiched between this massive storm, and I don't like that because look at all of those tornado warnings that could happen at any time. Something could develop right on top of me, so I just kind of want to get out of here at this point. Gotta. Another powerful tornado. Right next to me. Let's get out of here. Let's run away. We're gonna have to thread the needle and just somehow avoid all of these circulations. Which way do I run? I want to move south. inside. I gotta make a move, though. I gotta do something. Over a dozen tornadoes, including 2 EF3s and 1 EF2, touched down near Dodge City. No fatalities occurred, and the victims with critical injuries were eventually released. In the trade of marketing storm footage, the first to stop chasing and start selling gets the worm. A lesson I just can't seem to learn. To me, the chump change you might earn is not worth missing a second of the spectacle. Looks like I'll be celebrating with gas station food again tonight. Thanks for watching, friends. Till next time, happy trails.
Okay, guys, that was a good video. I'm over here playing some Roblox on my other phone. My bad. I'll play some Roblox for you guys next time. And with that being said, everybody have a blessed day, and see you on the next video. Peace.